The U.S. dollar has owned the world for decades, but now, because of U.S. actions, we're shooting ourselves in the foot. The Chinese, the Russians, the Iranians are coming up with competing currencies and competing institutions to compete with the World Bank, to compete with the IMF. I don't like saying this, I'm an American, but America's shooting itself in the foot because it's causing, of necessity, new institutions and new currencies to develop. And in 5 years or 10 years, we're going to look back and say, how did this happen? What happened to the U.S. dollar? It used to be the only currency, but now there are new currencies. What happened to the World Bank? How did that become a competitor? So there are many competitors coming, being forced by American trade action.
By 2030, does the U.S. still remain the reserve currency? 2030, Jim?
No, yet. Absolutely not.
By 2030?
Much sooner than that. The dollar's going to go higher now because of the turmoil which is coming, but then it's going to get overpriced, and people are going to look around and say, America's the largest debtor nation in the history of the world. It's printing money as fast as it can. We have to have something else. I would go back. You watch what the Russians and the Chinese and the Iranians and the Brazilians and the Indians are doing. They are forming a competing currency right now. If I were a betting man, which I'm not, it would be the currency which is being formed by the nations which have to, because they're being bossed by the Americans and they don't like it anymore and they have enough power to do so.